This video explains the several types of licenses and their capabilities and restrictions. We have three types of licenses: permanent, NFR, and demo. Permanent licenses are full-featured with no restrictions and no expiration date. CoPrA creates unencrypted profiles that work in any ICC-compatible environment. The only restriction is the CoPrA SP license. The profiles are encrypted and must be used within the ColorLogic environment. ColorLogic offers 14-day demo licenses for all applications, allowing the user to evaluate the application features and performance. Demo license keys are automatically sent from our licensing system. The application restrictions with demo licenses are as follows. With ColorAnt, all measurement reports have a demo watermark. The embed CXF/X4 text view and evaluate features are not available with demo licenses. Saving measurement files other than in .txt format is also not available. In CoPrA, all profiles created with a demo license are encrypted and can only be used with ColorLogic software such as ColorAnt, CoPrA, and CoPrA. All files converted with a CoPrA demo license are watermark protected. NFR licenses are limited to the features of the selected package and are great for workflow testing. If it becomes necessary to test CoPrA without the watermark, please contact your dealer for instructions to receive an NFR license, as a CoPrA NFR does not create a demo watermark on converted files. The CoPrA NFR has serialized or encrypted profiles, but each dealer is given a limited number of decryptions should an end user need to test the one or two unencrypted profiles in a production environment. All types of licenses can be issued as either a computer-based license or a dongle license. The computer-based license is tied to the computer on which the software is installed and cannot be changed without a completed transfer of license form. This type of license is also required if the computer lacks a USB port, such as a rack server. The other type is a USB dongle license that is serialized to the dongle and may contain multiple applications. The USB dongle communicates with the assigned software license and enables the software to be used on different computers. To assign the license to the USB dongle, it must be connected to the computer before starting the software. The dongle provides flexibility, yet it can be easily lost. For a tutorial on how to try a demo license, please click on the video link in the lower right-hand corner. Thanks for watching.